make the panna cotta with agaroles 30, you will need to dry blend the agaroles, the sugar, and the vanilla flavorings that you require. And in the pan, you will have to weigh the cream, the milk, and also a little part of the sugar. Dry blend all the powders with the sugar and just drizzle over the top of the cream. Bring the solution to a boil and wait for 1 minute. Waiting, you can put the vanilla beans. It's optional according to your choice. When you're using the vanilla bean, you only need to use the black seeds part. This is optional, only for flavoring. You need to bring the solution to a boil and then wait for 1 minute. Now the milk solution is almost coming to a boil. We will wait until it boils and then set the timer for 1 minute. Once boiling, set the timer to 1 minute and turn down the heat to a simmer so that the milk is not overflowing from the pan. After 1 minute, you can turn off the heat, but keep stirring so that all the vapor is reduced and the liquid is a bit cooled. Then you can pour them onto the molds. This is to prevent the skin on top of the layers of the panna cotta. Keep stirring until the solution is cold enough to be poured onto the mold. Once all the vapor is removed from the solution, you can pour the solution onto the molds, and you need to cool it down at refrigerator temperature.